Experiencing problems with your 2016 Mazda 3's infotainment system? You're definitely not alone. Many owners report a variety of frustrating issues with their MZD Connect system. The most commonly reported issues include system freezing during startup, complete audio loss across all sources, black or unresponsive touchscreens, Bluetooth connectivity failures, navigation system crashes, and USB port malfunctions. These problems typically stem from four main root causes: software corruption in the Linux-based MZD Connect system, hardware degradation after 7 to 9 years of use, electrical issues with wiring harnesses, and temperature sensitivity to extreme heat or cold. Before considering expensive repairs, try these basic troubleshooting steps. First, perform a soft reset by holding the power volume knob back button and navigation button simultaneously for 10 or more seconds. Then wait for the system to reboot. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 15 or more minutes, then reconnecting it and allowing the system to reinitialize. These resets can often resolve temporary software glitches. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your infotainment issues, more advanced solutions may be necessary to get your system working properly again. When basic resets fail to resolve your 2016 Mazda 3 infotainment problems, several advanced solutions are available, each with different costs and complexity levels. The Master Reset is the most comprehensive software solution. This accesses a hidden service menu that completely wipes the system back to factory defaults. Software reflashing involves downloading the latest firmware from Mazda and installing it via USB. This requires a properly formatted drive and can take up to an hour to complete. When software solutions fail, hardware replacement becomes necessary. The Central Module Unit, or CMU, is the main processing component, while the amplifier unit handles audio output. Many owners are choosing aftermarket Android Auto and Apple CarPlay retrofit kits as a modern alternative. These systems offer better reliability and current smartphone integration features. To prevent future infotainment issues, follow these maintenance practices. Keep software updated, always properly shut down the system, use quality USB accessories, and protect the system from extreme temperatures.